If you're tired of portable projectors that are making you decide between blurry, dim images or big, bulky design, this small, compact projector might be exactly what your setup needs. Let's get started. Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Today we're checking out XGIMI's new Elfin Flip 4K portable projector. XGIMI sponsored this video for us to check out what I believe is a brand new category of projectors. I'm even going to compare it to my older projector that's made more as a home theater replacement. Before this new style of series, you always had to choose between home premium quality projectors that are a little bit bulky, or you had to choose between portable projectors that took massive compromises when it came to brightness and color quality. So now diving right into the image quality on this one, the Elfin has a much better brightness and color profile than most portable projectors. It has 1600 ISO lumens and an RGB Triple Laser light source that is bright enough to use in a room with the curtains half drawn or with ambient light, rather than just needing to have a pitch black cave, which no one has. It also uses an optical zoom instead of a digital zoom, giving you a true lossless 4K image whether you scale it to 40 inches or blow it way up to 200 inches. On top of that, you get certified color accuracy that delivers true to life colors, not just blown out quote-unquote projector colors. For HDR content, it even handles HDR10 and HLG, so movies look exactly how they were meant to be seen. Despite packing all this home theater tech, it weighs in at only 3.4 pounds. So it's super easy to carry from room to room, or like I'm gonna try this time around, taking it on a trip with me. Setup is no longer the reason to put off using it either. Thanks to its intelligent screen alignment or ISA 5.0, you just set it down and the autofocus and auto keystone instantly sharpen the picture without to manually trial and error it, which is something that I've definitely had to deal with in some projectors in the past. The built-in handle also acts as a flexible stand, letting you easily aim it from a shelf, a table, or even up on the ceiling like I did. For the interface, it runs Google TV, so all of your favorite apps certified and ready to go with the remote. No more annoying dongles like some older projectors had to use. Plus, with Gemini built in on this model, you can actually navigate and find what you want with natural voice commands way better than the old Google Assistant did. You also don't need to lug around an external Bluetooth speaker or a soundbar because it has really good Harman Kardon audio system built right in, delivering sound quality that actually matches the huge screen. Here, take a listen.
You're my number one girl, you got everything I need. I know we're meant to be, so let's go fulfill prophecy. I'll be your hero, baby, if you let me. I promise I will be there for you in your time of need, in your darkest hour.
And for gamers, this projector is actually game ready. It features a solid port selection, including 2 HDMI ports so you can easily plug in a Nintendo Switch 2 and a soundbar without constantly swapping the cables. It supports a variable refresh rate or VRR and has a low latency mode or ALLM, meaning that it auto switches to low latency mode the second the console connects. If you're playing competitive games, as long as you have a game mode and a VRR turned on with auto keystone turned off, you can hit as fast as a 1 millisecond response time with 1080p, 120 Hz. This honestly surprised me because I have never seen a projector in this price range that I could actually recommend to people that want to game on a projector. So with the Elfin Flip 4K projector, you're honestly getting very strong home theater specs. You get lossless 4K, an RGB Triple Laser, Harman Kardon audio, and a fully portable body. Right now, there's actually a special US launch from July 15th to July 31st for the special launch discounted rate with an extra 10% off. So if you're in the market for a projector, I would highly recommend this one. I'll drop a link down below so you can check it out for yourself, but what do you think of this portable projector powerhouse, really? I think it's honestly a game changer when it comes to the fact that this model actually has a lot of features that we had from portable projectors in terms of lightweight and being able to take it places, but it has a lot closer specs in terms of picture quality and auto keystoning comparing to higher quality home theater projectors of like 2 to 3 years ago. So I'm really excited for this kind of quality. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.